We can have a group.
Let's put it on Facebook. Last day.
Sir, I'm going to record you.
3 days ago in the morning, 10 o'clock. Hi, check. 3 days ago in the morning at 10 o'clock, I got an office order signed by Anurag Mishra saying that I've been posted to Dhinkana. No discussion was done with me or any faculty member. No reason was cited. No argument given. I was on leave for 3 days. So today I have come and resigned. My resignation letter has been posted on Facebook. It has also gone to all newspapers. I've been getting calls from all journalists since yesterday. And I think it will come in the papers also tomorrow. I presume that it is a victimization and a targeting of academic freedom and intellectual freedom and autonomy of the institute and autonomy of the teaching profession. I also feel that I have been targeted because I went for the Rohit Vemula protest in IMC. Also because I went and gave a speech in JNU. It was an honor for me to be invited to speak in the open air lectures on learning where the finest of the minds from all over the world and India are speaking. And as a former JNU SU president, it was an honor for me to go and speak in JNU. I will continue to support Rohit Vemula and JNU and FTI struggle and Hyderabad Central University and all struggles of students and teachers because I stand for academic freedom, intellectual freedom, culture of dissent, secularism, pluralism, etc. And I will continue to fight for Dalit rights, for students' rights. But foremost, I would say that I'm a teacher. Also, I'm a journalist and a teacher. And I think I've quoted it. And it was in your editing question paper. I had put a question last time. That journalism should not be determined by xenophobia, casteism, communalism, racism, sexism. Please discuss. I think you will agree with me that I have always inculcated independent thinking and critical thinking. I've never imposed my ideas or my thought processes. In fact, I am a very flexible guy. I believe in Bhakti, I believe in Sufi, I believe in Kabir, I believe in Gandhi, I believe in Tagore, I believe in Ambedkar, I also believe in Marx. But Marx for me is not a god. Nobody is a god. I am open-ended to thinking every stream of philosophy, every thought. My position has been that students should have independent thinking and they should stand for truth and impartiality. In news and opinion, you can write anything. I've also told you many times, if you remember, that please write in support of Modi if you feel if you want to write in support of Modi. Please write in support of Startup India, Make in India if you feel you want to write for stuff. I have never imposed my thoughts. If Shobit wants to write on formula racing or Kanishka wants to write on music, if Varun wanted to write on rock music, I've always encouraged it. I feel it's fantastic that young minds should think differently, should have uniqueness and originality. And that is what young minds are all about. With you, I had become young and I have become also learned. I've always said learning and unlearning is more important. More than learning and unlearning, we all are learning and unlearning all the time. Windows of enlightenment, doors of perception. You must have been bored by my saying again and again. Because I'm a non-dogmatic. I am not a sectarian. I don't believe in shallow thinking. I'm an open-ended character, And I believe that that young independent minds should be given the freedom to fly on the wings of desire, on the wings of beauty, on the wings of independent thought processes, on the wings of freedom. And they should explore the world because the world belongs to them. You are the future of hope. You are the future of hope. Like JNU students, Rohit Vemula's friends, you are the future of hope. You can have any thought process, any ideological thinking, it does not matter. But if you stand for truth and justice and beauty and humanity, that is what, if you become tomorrow, all I want from you is that you should become independent thinkers and you should have humanity. If you become good human beings in your life, that should be a tribute to me. And for a teacher, that is a big tribute. That if you become good human beings in life and you do good journalism. I don't want you to do any political protest. I don't want you to do any political protest. I want you to go back to your classes, study, learn, and become good journalists. Good journalists, good professionals, good academics, good students, go back to your classes, study hard, enjoy your life, and be good human beings. I just, if you all become good human beings and you have independent minds, then that is enough tribute to me. I've resigned today, and I'm sure the world is open, and I'm not dying so soon. So we will all meet, and we'll all be happy. And for me, a new journey will start. We will see how the journey unfolds. So today I have resigned. I'm really grateful to all of you. You have given me unconditional love and respect. And I don't want to do a sentimental thing here, but you have your love and your smiles and your. I hope I have taught you something. I hope I have taught you something, and I hope that in the days to come we'll learn more from each other, because you will go into the world and you will become. When you become good journalists, your first byline will come. It will be a great measure of pleasure. Measure of pleasure for me, and I will remember you all very much. Your faces, your smiles, your beauty, your young, fantastic minds, and your spirit of rebellion and your spirit of, being original and authentic. Thank you very much for being there, and I was lucky to have you all, and I'm really lucky to have you all.
We were lucky to have you.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Nobody miss you.
Thanks. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, Asha.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Very good. Thanks, guys. I can't hug everybody.
So can we have a picture with you, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, why don't you go there? Yeah, please.
ये तो ये पानी की बोतल ले जाइए, उसको बोला I'll pay for it.
She is always ready.
God bless you all. I don't believe in God, but God bless you.
इसको दे दूँ? Sorry, I am really sorry.
Put it on the Facebook, yeah.
कोई बात नहीं.
Smile, yeah, say something.
Cheers.
हाँ.
For check, yeah, cheers.
अबे आगे वाला बैठ जाओ.
Palma, say twang.
इसको
Thanks. Catch up with you guys, yeah. Thanks, thanks, Rihanna. Thanks, Vijay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
This one has something for you. Sir, sir, you once told me to get sattu for you.
Sattu. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
This is the gift I will cherish all my life.
Oh, Captain, my Captain.
See, guys, enjoy life, be cheerful. Yeah, with everybody.
Everybody who comes is a collateral.